For 300 years, every royal court, every elite restaurant, every culinary school has bowed to one country's food, and it's not Italian. Here's why French cuisine still runs the world. The dominance is not accidental. It is an empire built on butter, precision, and an unyielding belief that the table is the center of the civilized world. From the grand banquet halls of the 18th century to the hypermodern kitchens of 2026, the French code of cooking has become the universal language of gastronomy, whether you are dining in Tokyo, New York, or London, with the ghost of a French chef likely standing over the shoulder of whoever prepared your meal. But why France? How did a single nation's local habits become the global gold standard for luxury? To understand the present, we must look at the blueprint they left behind. The story begins in the excess of the royal courts. Before the Revolution, French food was a display of absolute power. Marie Antoinette's era saw the birth of grande cuisine, a style of cooking so complex and architectural that it required a literal army of staff to execute. But the true conquest happened after the monarchy fell. When the royal chefs lost their masters, they opened the first restaurants, bringing palace-level precision to the public. Then came the architect of modern order, Auguste Escoffier. He didn't just cook, he codified. He organized the kitchen into the Brigade System, a military-style hierarchy that remains the backbone of every professional kitchen on Earth today. From the invention of the Michelin-star to the rigid standards of culinary education, the French didn't just create recipes. They created the system that defines what it means to be a professional. There are 5 pillars that keep France at the top of the culinary food chain, even now. First, technique. In France, cooking is a science of the senses. It is not about following a recipe. It is about mastering the gestures, the sauté, the braise, the deglaze. Second is the sauce culture. The French identified the 5 mother sauces, the DNA of almost every sauce in Western cooking. Master these, and you unlock the door to thousands of dishes. Third is cheese mastery and the cult of the ingredient. To the French, a cheese or a wine is a product of terroir, the soul of the soil itself. This leads to the 4th pillar, wine pairing. They turned the act of drinking into a sophisticated dialogue between the glass and the plate. And finally, global spread. For centuries, French was the language of diplomacy, and their food followed the diplomats. It became the aspirational standard for every rising middle class in history. Now, look at the evidence in the modern world. Why does a young chef from Tokyo or Lima travel to Paris to train? Because the French kitchen is the ultimate school of discipline. Iconic figures like Julia Child, Gordon Ramsay, and Nobu Matsuhisa all have one thing in common. They were forged in the fire of French technique. The Brigade System Escoffier built is the reason your meal arrives at the same time as your companions in a busy restaurant. It is the reason for the mise en place philosophy, the obsessive organization that separates a chaotic home cook from a professional. Millions of people every month search for French cooking techniques and famous French chefs because the world is still hungry for this secret knowledge. Even when we think we are eating something modern or fusion, the foundation, the stocks, the reductions, the knife work, is almost always French. But dominance requires evolution. In 2026, the story of French cuisine is shifting once again. The heavy, cream-laden sauces of the past are making way for Nouvelle Cuisine 2.0, a movement focused on lightweight, seasonal, and hyper-local cooking. The biggest story in France right now isn't beef or butter. It's plant-based innovation. France's elite chefs are reimagining their heritage, creating cashew-based camembert and mushroom-based foie gras that challenge the originals in depth and complexity. This isn't a betrayal of tradition. It's the ultimate expression of French technique applied to a new world. They are proving that the French way isn't tied to a specific ingredient, but to a standard of excellence that adapts to the health and sustainability needs of 2026. French cuisine conquered the world because it provided the structure that all of modern cooking is built upon. It remains at the top because it refuses to stay static. From the royal courts of the past to the plant-based bistros of today, the French kitchen remains the heartbeat of global gastronomy. The influence is so deep that you likely use French secrets in your own kitchen without even knowing it. But while the techniques are legendary, how do the dishes themselves actually hold up today? In our next video, we are putting the classics to the ultimate test. Every classic French dish, ranked from worst to best. You might be surprised at which overrated staple falls to the bottom, and which humble stew takes the crown. What is your #1 all-time favorite French dish? Is it a classic steak frites or something more obscure? Let us know in the comments below. We will be pinning the best response.